Now this mower has 922.5 hours on it. At this point I'm going to make sure that the tires are all inflated properly, and then we'll be all set for a first cut. I still want to inspect the belts and change the gas filter. I don't know if I will get to that today, but if you have a mower like this, I changed this last year. This is brand new. Okay, we're going to take the plastic off of it. And these light covers are brand new. And if you search my video, you'll see where I bought that and put them on. So just give me a second here for the air pressure to get up. Now the front tires on this are 14 PSI, back tires are 10 PSI. I'm ready to put air in it. Don't know where I'm going to start off, but we'll check the front first, see what it needs. That is actually full of air. I need to do nothing. Now let's check the back on this side. This is supposed to be 10 PSI. There it is. That's about 8. That needs a little air. That's right on 10 PSI. Again, this is supposed to be 14 PSI on this tire. That's 14 PSI, maybe 14 and a half. That one's good. We'll check the back tire. And this is supposed to be 10 PSI. We'll see what it is. Looks like it might need a couple of pounds. No, that is 10. So that's a video on checking the air pressure in a John Deere X320 tractor. Thank you.